So, Vishal, before we start, I got to know that you are preparing for SSB, and I think Colonel Swai he approached me and he told that uh, one of my friend's son he is preparing for 10 plus 2 technical entry scheme, and if we can help him out. So, just tell me something about yourself and the what exactly you are preparing. Where do you stand on the preparation part? What do you know about the SSB? And what are the clarifications that you would like to seek? Anything, any myth, any, in fact, anything that you feel that you have heard something, but you are not sure of whether these things happens there or not. So the mode of communication would be English. That is fine, Vishal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, excellent. Then please take me through whatever the questions I have asked you. Let's move on.
Actually, first of all, I'm little afraid about group discussion. I have come across few videos, YouTube. Like everyone is, there is this market situation. You will have to speak, but you don't get a chance. A maximum candidates get screened out there only. So I'm a bit afraid of that.
Okay.
And secondly, I'm also SSB. I came across few questions. Those are easy, uh, but there is one difficulty is the time management.
Okay.
You need to solve questions very fast. So in that process, I'm getting silly mistakes, and yeah, that's only. I'm a bit nervous about the group discussion and picture PPDT.
Okay. So firstly, tell me what do you know about SSB? How in depth you know about SSB? About the assessments that takes place there, and what is your knowledge about it? Then I will move on with what exactly are the clarifications.
So it's a 5 day selection process. So on the day one, you have means official paperwork is done first. Then there is your OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating Test, followed by PPDT. So it is a stage one. Once you qualify stage one, then you go to stage two. There is psychology test, SRT, TAT, GTO, and all. Then after clearing that, there is your interview. After that, you get there is conference, then medical test, and then you get recommended.
Okay. And currently, when did it trigger to you to prepare for the SSB and apply for the technical entry scheme? And how did you start preparing for that passively? I don't think you have started any active preparation for that, but passively, how you started your preparation?
Uh, I bought few books from Amazon. I'm trying out questions. Mental aptitude books I had previously because I was preparing for NTAC. So I'm trying out those books and free YouTube classes. Videos. I'm then uh, videos from means candidates who have appeared SSB and few candidates who have actually got recommended and few repeaters, those who share their experience over there. So yes.
So, do you think? Firstly, Vishal, when we start discussing on, because SSB, it's a test of officer-like qualities, which is nothing but your basic personality, your attitude, your behavior, your emotions when you are operating singly, your emotions when you are operating in a group. So, before I come to that, do you think that you have seen a lot of videos on the candidates? Do you think that the uh, whatever has worked for XYZ candidate, will it work for you during SSB?
Yes, I think, but it depends on the input I give.
Okay.
I am trying that I will give my 100%. Then let's not hope for the result, but I'll give my 100%. That's what I think I should do.
Okay. And what are your takeaways, Vishal? If I talk about the books that you have got from the on-site platforms, the videos that you have watched, the candidate interview you have watched, what are your takeaways? If I talk about separately from the books, what you have taken away that you are executing or you have implementing, you feel that there is an improvement, and from the videos that you have watched, what is the takeaway exactly?
From the books, I would say that I have increased my speed of attempting and solving a question. Like from the videos, one of the candidates said that they give you 17 minutes to solve around 35 to 40 questions. So I'm setting a timer on my phone of 16 minutes and I'm solving around 40 questions.
Okay.
And candidates normally say that OIR is okay, but people face difficulties in group discussion and story writing.
Mhm.
So I'm also preparing story writing from that book also.
Okay.
Uh, Previously, I was not familiar to story writing because in our school days we used to have picture composition,
Okay.
but that is totally different from story writing. So
How how
initially,
how is it differing?
picture composition is like, suppose it's a picture of a marketplace. You need
Mhm.
to describe each and everything in the picture. Like there is a vegetable seller, there is a vendor, the people are buying fruits, vegetables. But in story writing, you need not emphasis on each and every minute things in the picture. You just revolve your story around the protagonist, and
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
so that
Go
was
ahead.
that is that is very different from picture composition and story writing.
Okay.
And discussion test is like I'm little afraid that few candidates are very dominating. They don't let you speak, and some means they try to put an impact on you. Like means maybe some means what uh, means like they will try to.
Please.
It's like they will try to put impact that they're better than you. So some candidates may fear that. I'm little means nervous about that. What will happen?
Okay.
I also want to be that confident, but in that process, I don't want to be overconfident also. Like,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
uh, so that's what I want. And here in Odisha, I will talk. Uh, means I came, I was surprised that Warriors Creed is there, but I kept looking for some institutions, but I was unable to get. Few means there are many institutions, they write CDS, NDA and all in
Mm-hmm.
their leaflets, but I went there, talked to them, but I didn't find them that effective. But when I came across your YouTube video, there is something I was very surprised. My father was also like, ୟା ବିଷୟରେ ଆଗରୁ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା.
So so it's never late, Vishal. It's never late anytime in life. That So don't blame. Never blame on the circumstances in your life. This was not available, so I could not prepare. Right. So that is one part. Secondly, one very good thing that I would like to tell you, that SSB is the only exam, is the only assessment or only interview where there is no competitor. You don't compete with anyone there. You only compete with yourself. This is the only exam. You write any kind of exam, you have written NTSC, you have written your board exams, and there are first, second, third, fourth, all those, in fact, merit list, everything is there. But SSB is only interview where there is a possibility, if you meet the requirements, there is a possibility your whole batch gets recommended. And there is a possibility not a single candidate gets recommended. So there is no competition. The fear that you are talking about, that I'm fearing on the candidates who generally dominate. So that is, it's okay, absolutely. You need not to worry about the people uh, who are, in fact, they are a different individual. They have got different characteristics. They have different way of, in fact, dealing with the things, or responding to the different stimuli. And you are a different individual. Domination, there is did you go through the officer like qualities? What are the qualities? There are around 15 qualities. OLQs you must have gone through if you have read through the books and all. Did you find any of the quality written as you need to be dominating?
No, sir. No.
Did you find any quality there?
No, sir.
So domination is not an officer like quality. It's not an officer like quality. There would be a lot of in fact qualities which you will find that is dominating the other people in and around them, but those qualities need not be the positive qualities, or need not be the qualities that is actually required to get through that exam. So don't worry, don't bother on that. So there are ways and means. See, that is a part and parcel of life. Whenever you are in a class, you are studying in OUAT, right? So OUAT also,
Yes,
within
sir.
your friends also, you will find within your friends also, there will be some friends who will be much more outspoken, much dominating, right? There will be friends who will be less spoken, a little bit shy. They just speak whenever that is required. There will be some people who will be maintaining a balance of both these. They are neither dominating nor they are shy. They just strike the right balance. So striking the right balance is more important there. Don't worry about what others people are doing. You need to showcase yourself. You need to showcase what Vishal is. You need not to worry about what the other 8 guys there, what they are doing, unless and until yes, but how you are reciprocating, how you are responding to those different actions, different people. As a leader, as a military leader, I will talk about, you are required to deal with varied of people. If you are unable to handle, you know whom to handle, whom to listen to, whom to ignore for the moment and then come back to him. All these decisions within fraction of a second. As a military leader, you need to take those decisions. So don't worry. So one part, just be in fact out of that immediately psychologically, that if someone is dominating, you need not to worry about that. You are not competing with them. You are competing with yourself, how you prove to be as an officer, or a candidate who can be groomed to become an officer. Okay, that is one part. Second problem, I think, Bisal, you told me that the time constraint, right? Just imagine, go back to the day one when you didn't know about the 40 questions that you have to answer for. The first day, how much time did you take? After four in fact, the frequency of the practice, was that time, did that time came down? After
Yes,
8 rounds
sir.
of practice, did that time came down more? So that
Yes.
is the only way out. You need to match up with the speed and the time, and that can only happen with sheer practice, daily practice. Coming to the picture story, uh, yes, as you rightly told, that the what you have been doing in your childhood, the picture proposition and the picture story, what we generally talk about, TAT, thematic apperception test, right? So picture story, or we call it picture story writing. So there is a difference. You just not need to describe the picture, you also need to frame a story around it, and that story must have a past, a present that is shown in the picture, and a contributing, fulfilling, or in fact a productive outcome of the story, right? A situation is given, that situation could be a positive one, it could seem to be negative one. So you need to just think a step behind, that what could have, in fact, uh, circumstances could have been there that has, in fact, now come to this position, this story currently, what the picture I am looking at, and subsequently from here, what are the ways where we can go towards a constructive, productive outcome of that story, output of the story, right? So it's just on 3 phases you have to, so you will not find much of a time to write the picture story. You know that back to back in the screening, you have to write one story, right? But during TAT, if you are screened into the stage 2, back to back, you have to write 12 stories, right? 30 seconds, you will just look at the story and you have to write a story for 4 minutes. And then subsequently 30 seconds, 4 minutes, and you have to write the 12 story. 12 story, basically it's a blank slide, which you could paint anything, whatever you like. The best story of your life, right? As a, suppose currently, how old are you, Vishal?
I'm 18.
For 18. So 18 years of age, if I talk about when you were into your consciousness, you had senses, maybe 7 or 8 years or 10 years,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So last
Yes, sir.
8 to 10 years, there will be a lot of activities must have happened in your life where you could be a central hero or someone else could be a central hero. But if that story has created any impact, that has created the way you have started looking at things, that have created something which you just, it changed your life, there could be something, maybe instantly you may or may not remember, but if you just think on it for a couple of minutes, I think you could relate to. There will be a lot of incident, lot of events in your life which has changed or given a direction to your life to which you are right now. 10 years back, you have never imagined that you would be clearing your engineering entrance and you will be studying at the OUT, right? But it's a track. You came through, you cleared the entrance exam, now you are at the college. Not many of the people, what is the capacity, what are the seats that is there allocated, and how many people, how many students make it. So these are something basic thing. SSB, you need to relate to your own life, you need to relate to your own stories, and this is how your work becomes simple and your work becomes genuine. They are not looking for people who are reading books. They are not looking for people who have listened to multiple stories and just putting anything and everything on the paper. They are just trying to relate it, whatever you are writing. 3 things that should match there: whatever you are thinking, whatever you're writing, and whatever you do on the GTO ground. All the 3, if it matches, you are a candidate that is going to get recommended. They don't want fake candidates who think something while writing your psychological aspects. They, in fact, speak something, but during the group discussion or the way, sorry, the way they behave within a group, as you told that people are dominating, right? If some people are dominating during group discussion, they should be dominating whenever they are going to take a risk also. They need to show that courage. If none of the people, if suppose there is a fire has taken place, are these dominating people getting inside and pulling the people outside, saving the lives? That is called domination. That is a positive domination. Domination is not just the 8 people are sitting and I am just not allowing anyone to speak. That is not domination. So all these things need to relate, and how it will get related when we start introspecting, start doing analyzing and self-reflection. In fact, we start our own self-reflection. We come to know very varied aspects in our life, right? So anything else apart from that before we go further? Till now, whatever I have told you, is it making sense? Something that it is beyond what you have thought of, beyond what you have read, beyond what you have heard? Is it something that making sense?
SSB is a competition with yourself. Like this was very unique. This I will note down.
Yeah.
I think this will help me further the
I'm
role.
unable
So
to hear
like
you,
you
Vishal.
need not compete with others. You need to compete with yourself.
Correct. And that is
This
the
will
only
help me
exam.
like SSB. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go on, go on.
That
Sorry.
will help me a lot.
Yeah, yeah. And the practice that we have to do, that we will do. And apart from that, uh, major aspect also is taken care of during your group task and your personal interview. Personal interview is complete your biography, whatever you are, your family, your college, your teachers, your friends, right, whom you spend time with. What do they say? That your character is known from the company that you keep. What kind of friends do
Yes.
you have? What kind of people you like to meet, right? So these are some of the aspects that I think we need to look into whenever we
Yes, sir.
start preparing for the SSB. SSB is a preparation daily. It's not that
Yes, sir.
anyone who prepares for SSB, they also, in fact, execute those learnings in their daily life. SSB learning or the officer-like qualities is not bookish. It's not bookish. That 15 qualities
Yes,
I
sir.
have learned,
No.
I can utter them, I can spell them anytime anyone wants that. But how often, how clearly you execute, don't forget to execute those qualities in your daily life also. Okay, going forward, what we can do, there is a task for you before we move on to the any other questions before I move on, anything else, anything other curiosity, any anxiety that you feel
No,
that
sir. No, sir. My group discussion was the biggest fear. That was cleared.
okay, okay. Yeah, and another thing about the group discussion, if you talk about, uh, you may not be having all the inputs, all the details in depth of any topic. That is absolutely fine. But basic details you must have. As an officer, you are expected to keep a basic know-how of what is happening in and around you. And most importantly, how you are able to present it in the group, how you are able to take everyone together, even for the people who are unable to speak, including the people who are dominating the whole discussion. There is always a point, always a time where when you need to pitch in, when you need to take these people along. Wherever there is a genuine point, you must agree with all. Wherever there is a point that you need to differ, you must differ. But you must spell it also logically why I am differing to this. That is absolutely fine. So it's a very free and frank discussion. Don't get under the pressure that it's a discussion, someone is watching me, someone is looking at me. Just have very basic discussions as you are having it with your friends over a bottle of beer or something, right? How casual you are when you are having a bottle of beer with your friends. How casual?
No, sir. I don't drink.
I'm unable to hear you again. Yeah, Vishal?
Sir, I don't drink.
Oh, you don't drink. Okay,
I said I don't drink.
okay. Okay. So, but you must be drinking coffee or tea when they are drinking beer.
No, sir. No. I don't have them in my circle.
Oh, okay. Chalo, great. Then I think uh, that's good. So, but I don't know whether you are telling the truth or you are just saying that because you are sitting at home. So, dad or mom should not know that what is my favorite brand, Heineken or Carlsberg. They should not come to know.
No, sir.
Chalo, nice. Great. So, so how is college life, Vishal? How you are enjoying? This is your second year, second, third semester or something? Fourth semester?
No, sir. First year semester. No, sir. It's first year only.
It's first year. First year.
First
Okay.
year semester means it's only online classes going on,
Okay. Okay.
and there were few offline NCC classes. That's all. I stepped
Okay,
into college.
you have taken NCC also, huh?
Yes, sir.
Is it army wing?
No, sir, it's air wing. In my
Air wing,
college,
right?
there is only air wing.
Okay, okay, okay. So why did you apply for India also earlier?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So were you able to clear the written?
No, sir. Math was a bit difficult. I could not clear it.
Okay, okay, okay. So for example, you compare two people. One is you and the other person is the great scientist Einstein. You know Einstein?
Yes, sir.
So between you both two, who will have more doubts in maths?
I will
Suppose
have.
you will have.
Yes.
How you will have?
It's like I try to correlate theory in my book to real life. Like I ask my teachers where it is used in real life. Tell me where we use trigonometry, where we use Pythagoras theorem. So teacher gets like ଏତେ question କଣ ପଚାରୁଛୁ ପାଠ ପଢେ. So
Okay.
I try to relate it to my surroundings so that it would be easier to. I don't need to mug it up.
Okay.
So if once I relate it to something in my surrounding, then it's easier for me to remember that fact or formula or something.
मेरे स्कूल टाइम का ये एक सवाल है, मैं तुम्हें पूछा ये एक्चुअली हमारे when I was in school, that point of time one of our maths teacher asked this question to us कि मैथ्स में सबसे ज्यादा डाउट तुम्हारे होंगे या आइंस्टाइन के होंगे. तो सबने यही जवाब दिया था जो व्हाट एवर यू गेव कि मेरे होंगे. लेकिन फिर टीचर ने एक अच्छा चीज बोला, आई थिंक मतलब बहुत ही डेप्थ वाला, कि मैथ्स के बारे में तुम्हें पता ही क्या है जो तुम्हें डाउट होगा. व्हाट यू नो अबाउट मैथ्स, हाउ मच यू नो अबाउट मैथ्स. तो जिन लोगों को, जो पर्सनालिटी को जिन चीजों के बारे में ज्यादा पता होता है, उनके डाउट्स उसमें ज्यादा, क्योंकि होराइजन बड़ा होता है, जो थॉट्स है वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं. अभी तुम वही सोच रहे हो जो तुम्हें पता है. You are only limited to the knowledge what you have gathered in 18 years, right? ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमें पता नहीं है, हम लेकिन सोचते हैं कि यार आज बहुत हो गया, बहुत पढ़ लिए, बहुत कुछ हो गया, इससे ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए हमें लाइफ. So we in fact know very little as on date, you, me, and so every day is a learning. What I mean to say here is that daily you must improve on in whatever field you are trying to improve. अगर एसएसबी के प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, गेट थॉरो प्रिपरेशन, हर एंगल से देखो क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं हो सकता है, राइट? एंड कोरिलेट एवरीथिंग टू द ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज जो दिए हैं. एक चीज करना विशाल, टुमारो बिफोर वी स्पीक अगेन, go back to your life, write down all the officer like qualities on a page, on a piece of paper, and relate a story in your life. 15 ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटी के साथ कोई भी एक स्टोरी अपनी लाइफ का रिलेट करके उसमें लिखो कि ये क्वालिटी मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कब डिस्प्ले की थी, कितने क्वालिटीज मैंने अपनी लाइफ में डिस्प्ले की है, कभी एक बार किया है, कभी कोई चीज कंसिस्टेंटली किया है. लेट्स ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज यू ऑलरेडी पजेस, तुम्हारे अंदर ऑलरेडी है. जो हम ढूंढते हैं ना कि 15 ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज एसएसबी में ढूंढेंगे, हम सबके अंदर कुछ कुछ क्वालिटीज होती है, लेकिन वो ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज है कि नहीं हम उसको रिलेट नहीं कर पाते. वी आर अनेबल टू रिलेट दैट. ठीक है, टुमारो जस्ट गेट बैक टू मी क्विकली. इन फैक्ट व्हाट आर द इवेंट्स दैट यू कैन रिलेट टू कि इन क्वालिटीज मैंने कहीं पर मेरे कॉलेज में, मेरे स्कूल में, मेरे घर पे I have displayed these qualities. हर एक क्वालिटी के लिए write one story that should be 10 to 12 lines, जिसमें 10 से 12 लाइन का ही होना चाहिए टोटल स्टोरी, and it should not take more than 4 minutes to write those story. सोच के, ठीक है, there is existing story, you just need to assimilate and write the story. So you should not take more than 4 minutes, right?
Okay, sir.
and then we will further in fact progress on what comes out from that and how we are going to plan our next sessions.
Okay, sir.
Anything else, Vishal?
No, sir. I'm feeling kind of relief after talking to you. It was piled up in my head. So I'm getting a feeling of relief.
You're feeling little relieved?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have made me relieved by asking. I'm unable to hear you, Vishal. Unable to hear you. I think your voice is breaking. I also felt relieved when you asked genuine questions. So
sir,
when
it was so much.
Yeah. Bolo. Tell me.
I was pressurized. I had questions. So internet could not help me, but yes, you helped me. So thank you.
No, there's nothing to thank here, Vishal. So you are helping yourself, that I must say. And if you are genuine, if you want to do well in some field, you are putting honest efforts. I think there is no one to stop you. In fact, in that journey. So you are helping yourself, and let's see how the in fact preparation moves on. I am sure that though we have some little time for the preparation, but definitely we are going to give it a best shot and hope for the best.
Okay, sir.
Right? Chalo then. All the best.
Yes, sir.
See you tomorrow, and
Thank you, sir.
get me whatever I have asked for.
Okay, sir. Sure.
All the best. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.